Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Ondo, your, well, not daily update, but we covered it yesterday, alright? So I just wanted to give you my thoughts. I mean, yesterday, Ondo yesterday was already quite bullish, alright? After the whole tokenization push by BlackRock and Ondo being the main mover in the whole RWA narrative at this moment, it was very bullish, alright? So what you saw over the course of yesterday, even before Bitcoin turned bullish, is that Ondo was gaining a ton of momentum. I mean, if you look at this, like this momentum gain is phenomenal and it's super bullish. And just as a quick spoiler, it's not bearish yet. All right, so more bullish momentum is definitely possible. I mean, if you think about Ondo right now, with its market cap, which is $1 billion, which is definitely not nothing. But if you compare that with all the estimates of how big the tokenization world and the RWA narrative can get, like this still has at least a 10x in it, all right? Long term, I don't expect that short term, but just it's good to understand that whole fundamental image around it, that $1 billion for the main RWA asset is not that much. So it's doing great. Ondo, by the way, it's getting a lot of volume right now. There's also no Binance listing yet, so that's probably coming soon, I would argue, I would say. And that's only bullish as well, right? And then if you look at the technicals, like I said, we gained a lot of momentum. So what we talked about yesterday is that, you know, the previous all-time highs were most likely, but that there was also a chance, especially, but I didn't know that yesterday, but especially when Bitcoin became this bullish, that there was also a chance that we would just break above that level and head up to 75 cents. That was my next price target, also said yesterday. Next psychological level and the minus 236 fib. So we hit that. We have found strong resistance there. All right, Bitcoin has settled down a bit. I wouldn't, like with Bitcoin, it does matter, but not that much. All right, if Bitcoin really starts, if Bitcoin really starts crashing today, then that's going to matter. All right, that will have an impact on Ondo. But I would say that this support level between like $65,000 and $67,000 for now for Bitcoin is enough. So yeah, then the main question is well, can Ondo actually break above 75 cents right now? And the honest answer is I don't know. All right, that's for me, trading and analyzing is also reacting. All right, I would say that this is a pretty big move. All right, so at some point of time, I would expect somewhat of a pullback. 75 cents is really the strongest level because I would not know where to aim next. I mean, probably the 1.618 of something like this, but that's around 80 cents. All right, so that there's this strong technical and psychological resistance level between 80 and 75 cents. If we really break above that, then I think we're heading for 95 and $1, all right? So if we do get some sort of a breakout here, who knows, maybe Bitcoin gets another push, something like this. If we get that, we will rally higher, but it's hard to say because the momentum is still going up. So with momentum that's still going up, it's almost stupid of me to say that this is going to be resistance. But I really do think that if you look at this move and if you look in general at the momentum at this point of time in the markets, I do think we'll find resistance here at 80 and 75 cents so that we get a bit of a pullback. And ultimately, I think we can pull back as low as like 65 and 63 cents again. And I do think that that will hold as long as Bitcoin stays bullish and that we will rally up to 95 cents later. I just think that it's time for a bit of a pullback, time for a bit of consolidation, and then eventually we will push higher. Like I said, fundamentally, we can go much higher than 95 cents. So depending on the markets a bit, but for now, I think something like this is most likely. All right, I will keep you updated on this if you're interested in that, of course. But for now, that's what you need to know. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.